Hey friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on interview questions. So today we'll concentrate here on one of the major question, that is Android is framework or not. Framework or not. So how we can justify this if Android is framework or not. So if we before discussion of this Android is framework or not, we need to know about this what is framework first. So in a simple way, if any software which is in a framework means that software has some platform for develop software applications. So that contains like basic build features, like means to run your application on top of that environment using that libraries as well as this APIs and all. So that we can say simply as a framework. So now we can justify this Android is framework or not. In simple way, direct straightforward, it's a framework only. But how we can justify this? How we can justify means simple, because when we are writing in Android code, we are using a lot of libraries which are already predefined, like activity, services, broadcast receiver, so content provider, fragments, so many. So each and everything means in Android, we are not writing anything from the scratch. All we are using from the predefined library. So that it can say that we can justify here Android is a framework, even though it includes async task, retrofit, Wally, and Google Maps, and material design. Each and everything can comes into this. So because of that, we can say simply Android is not a core language, it's a framework. So because of that framework only, here it's taking the development time is very less. So this is about this Android is framework or not. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.